Okay, lesson 8 is finding angles using sine, cosine, and tan. On these problems, you'll be given two sides on the triangle and asked to find what the angle measures are. So you'll know it's a 90 because we're only dealing with right triangles here, but it will say, give you two sides here. So let's say, for example, this side is 6, and this side is 8. And then the question is, what are the angle measures? Okay, so find the angle measures. All right, let's start with angle A. We're still using sine, cosine, tan, so the setup's going to be the same. It's just I'm going to put an A here because I don't know the angle. I'm still going to do all this like before though. Okay, if you notice, I'm dealing with opposite and adjacent. I know opposite and adjacent. If you look on your definitions, that's tan. Okay, tan opposite adjacent. Opposite 6 over adjacent 8. So it's similar setup there. So now we just say, hey, tan A. I'm just going to change this to a decimal, 0.75. If you put 6 divided by 8. Okay, in the calculator. Now I'm going to go to my table and just say, hey, which one's, look in the tan column and try to find something very close to 0.75. So I'm kind of going backwards. I'm looking down my tan column and trying to find the one that's closest to 0.75. It's down here. I got 0.7536. Okay, what angle are we dealing with? That would be a 37-degree angle. Okay, so as long as you get these to the nearest degree, you're fine. So closest to 37 degrees would give me close to 0.75. So A about equal to 37 degrees. There's also a button on your calculator that might say tan -1 that you can also use if you are using a calculator on these and not using this trig table, just so you know. Okay, let's just do one. What about angle B? Well, for angle B, we could do something like a tan again, but really, let's just do, say these two angles add up to 90. So angle B is 90 minus 37. So that is 53. Okay. And that's how you can find the angles. I'll do one more example here in case you need to see one more. Let's say this one will be with like a tower again. Let's say you have a tower. It'll say the cable. There's a tower that's 100 feet tall, and there's a cable that's 130 feet. Okay, it'll say what angle does the cable form with the ground? Okay, so 100-foot tall tower, 130-foot cable, and the question will be, what angle does the cable make with the ground? Okay, so this angle down here we're talking about, this 90-degree. All right, talking opposite and hypotenuse now. So put the A here. Opposite hypotenuse, sine again. Sine of A equals 100 over 130. Okay, let's change that to a decimal. So on a calculator, 100 divided by 130. 0.7692. Look in your table. Again, looking under the sine column now, and I'm looking for 0.7692. Okay, I got to go over to the second column over here actually. Closest one I'm seeing is this 0.7660 probably. We're talking about 50 degrees. So A is about equal to 50 degrees. All right.